Mr. Perricone, we have installed it, and what do you think? You had it out for a short time last season, and now we're going to do a full season this.
3 months maybe, and we knocked out 5 to 6 inches.
Wow. Amazing. Not to mention, and I don't know if
The weed line is back.
the weed line is back.
The lily pads are way over there behind your satellite units here. Now, some of that is because I've got an aqua thruster.
Yep.
That only keeps the silt away.
Right.
That doesn't remove the muck.
Right.
So it cleaned up the water, brought the fish back, but yeah, there was a noticeable drop.
Good. Now, did you try anything else other than the oscillator? Had you had muck mats out here?
I've got one muck mat right here so that you can get to the jet skis.
And
10 by 20, and it works. It keeps you above the silt, but all the smell from the organic matter underneath bubbles up when you walk on it. It helps you walk, but it's nasty.
yeah, fantastic. Well, we're looking forward to the end of this season.
Muck is the goal here.
Yep. Perfect. All right. Thank you, sir. We appreciate it.
Thank you. It's worked out great.